Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga and my YouTube channel is here about all fashion, style and clothes and purchases. And I also have my Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe there also. There I'm more often, I show you my daily outfits there and some traveling also. And today we will make an unboxing with you, and it's a special unboxing. It's a holiday feeling unboxing. So now it's a Black Friday just behind the corner, and it's a good time to buy something for yourself and for your loved ones. And I have been waiting for the gift box from Cozy Island for the whole year, and here it comes. It's a gorgeous gift from Cozy Island and I'm just obsessed. Look at the beautiful red box. Are you ready, guys? The box is even beautiful from inside. Look at these gorgeous golden shoes. Oh my god, I am just amazed. They are so pretty, like Cinderella shoes. Very cute small card also included. Here looks the box inside, and here are my pretty shiny golden shoes. Oh my goodness. First of all, those shoes are very comfortable. They are comfortable to walk as the heel is a little bit widened here, and they are in 3 different colors, in silver, gold, this is mine, gold, and the third one is a black shiny diamond stones. And you can also choose a shorter heel, but I decided to go for a higher one because I would love to use them on this winter holidays, on some parties, and then I want to be a little bit taller, but it's just the preferences. You can choose a shorter heel if you feel uncomfortable on the higher, but this one is not so high anyway. It's about 7.5 centimeters, so it's, for me, it's comfortable to walk. My size is 8.5 in this brand because I think that Cozy Islands, they run a little bit smaller than usual European sizes, so I prefer to take a little bit bigger size. I think it's like 39 in European, but you should check the site to choose your size. It's always good to check the size guide. I also have a little bit wider feet, so I prefer to take a little bit bigger size for me. And inside they are so soft, you can have a look. It's a soft, pleasant fabric which makes it comfortable to walk, just dance all day long. Here is a rubber, not slippery sole, and this beautiful like beige color here which suits to the gold and diamond shining. But step in, save big. It's actually the time for good discounts right now. Get more for the same price with the gift box, but the gift box are limited, so you need to grab your while they are in stock. Once it's gone, it's gone. First come, first served. So Black Friday deals from Cozy Island are limited from November 10 till the 3rd of December. You get $40 off from 199 purchase, $60 off from 299, and $80 off from 399. Plus you get free shipping worldwide. Isn't it amazing? Just don't forget to go to description box and grab your favorite pair. Even for full price I would purchase these shoes. Definitely check the description box because I will put all the links and all the information about discounts for Black Friday over there. It's also possible to get this small cute extra present from the Cozy Island, or if you want to buy small presents to your beloved ones, this is so cute. It's a sleeping mask. It's so nice, so beautiful silk material, and look how pretty it is here. It's written Cozy Island. Now I have a makeup on me, so I will not try it, but oh my god, it's so pretty. I will take it with me next time to sleep with it on the plane, because if we were traveling somewhere I prefer to have it. And I always use it at home also, because I think as more dark you have in your eyes, the better sleep you have, especially in summer when here in Scandinavia we have white nights. So this one is really good, and it's so soft, it's so pleasant. Also, what I've got here, there is a boots without heels. This is first time I got from Cozy Island. And I am so excited with these boots because without heel we also need to have boots, right? And I'm very happy that Cozy Island have this option. They are so comfortable. Those boots are in black color. They are also very comfortable to slide in. They are stretchy here in the ankles. Insole is also from rubber. It's very comfortable to walk. You will not be sliding if it will be a little bit more icy on the streets. And I love this minimalistic look. I love the style. Also this part of the eco leather from the back side of the shoes. It's a small minimalistic detail here in the silver. And I just feel that these sock boots are so comfortable to walk, and they will suit to many of my outfits. Mostly will be nice with trousers, also will be nice with skirts. And look at the sock here. It's rounded, it's not pointed, and I think it's really comfortable for everyday use, and I love this style. I will show you like this also, so you will see the socks. They are not very round, they are just a perfect form. I will show you the next boots I got. It's these beautiful boots in a brown color. They are so pretty. Just have a look from different sides. It's leather in the front and some material around. They are called Eco Step Vivid Vogue Stiletto Ankle Boots, and this is special for me and people like me. I have a little bit difficulties sometimes with my ankles. They are irritated with some socks and boots, so this one is really good. This one will not make any problems for my feet and for my ankles. They are easy to take off and on because of the stretchy material here. They have widened heel here, as you can see. It makes it much more easy to walk and stabilize your walks. They have slip resistant rubber sole. I can show you it closer. You will not fall if it will be wet from the rains. They have so nice textured material mix here, which is pleasant to wear. I just love them. And the brown color, I think this is really good for me. How do you like these shoes? Write me in the comments. I just adore them. I already tried them with so many outfits, and yeah, I really love them. I already collaborated with Cozy Island before, and I got shoes from them before. I will link all the videos in the description box so you can see another pairs of my shoes, and I use them, all of them, a lot because they are the most comfortable heels which you can imagine. I actually think that I will really use them a lot to work because they look professional, they look easy to wear and easy to style with all of the office and working outfits. And don't forget again about the discounts. It's a big time Black Friday because Cozy Island don't make discounts very often, and Black Friday is exactly the time when you can grab several pairs or maybe your favorite pair. Just go to the description box and check again all the pairs. Everything will be linked below, and don't forget that you get $40 off from $199 purchase, $60 off from $299, and $80 from $399. Just free shipping worldwide. This is just amazing. So grab your pairs and write me also in the comments what is your favorite pair or several, which one you would like to try. Perfect purchases for you. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.